Hey guys, I'm Diego and I'm here with the Lymow team today, and we're going to be unboxing the Lymow One robotic lawnmower. Okay, let's have a look and see what is inside. Wow, okay, so first off we've got the RTK station here, and here it has the antenna as well. Now this antenna handles the satellite navigation, providing centimeter level accuracy, so there's no need for boundary wires at all. Next is we have the support pole for the RTK station. You can mount it up on the wall using the wall mounts. The expansion poles are used to secure the wall mount. Now these washers and bolts are for connecting the bottom panel with the visual panel guide for the charging station. Here are the ground stakes for securing the charging station. And then let's move on to the second layer. Here we have the power supply for the charging station. There's also the power supply for the RTK station, as well as a 10-meter long extension cord. And that's also complete with another 10-meter cord extension. Finally, we have the visual panel guide and the bottom panel for the charging station. Now, let's have a look at the third layer. Oh, wow, look at this, the Lymow One itself. Now underneath this unit, there's actually the ground spikes for securing the RTK pole, and the bottom panel for the charging station. Also, you have the ground spikes for the RTK pole as well. And this is to ensure and secure the RTK pole stays in the right place.